Let's welcome with a huge round of applause none other than author Sherry. Woo!
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Come on,
Please be
guys,
seated.
everyone. Woo! Author Sherry, come on. Woo!
Three cheers for all of you. Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip! Hip hip!
Hooray!
Thank you. Please be seated.
Guys, I would like to recite few lines जो मेरे फादर ने मुझे लिख के भेजी है कि उन्होंने बोला है कि भाई क्या बात है. So that's the Josh from the Nagpur family. All right, so my father has written few lines and he told me कि गौरव वहाँ पे जाके शेरी सर के लिए आप जरूर ये बोलना. So I would like to recite that. And can I have the permission, sir?
Sir, please.
हर वृक्ष कल्प वृक्ष नहीं होता. हर वृक्ष कल्प वृक्ष नहीं होता. हर सागर में मोती नहीं होता. यूं तो करोड़ों स्पीकर्स हैं इस धरा पर. यूं तो करोड़ों स्पीकर्स हैं इस धरा पर, बट हर स्पीकर ऑथर शेरी जैसा नहीं होता.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. दोस्तों, मन चाहा पाने के लिए, मन चाहा पाने के लिए मन से चाहना पड़ता है. मन से चाहना पड़ता है. I'm humbled, I'm gratified, I'm thrilled to be here today, standing in front of you after a long period of 1 year. And I remember 16th March. 16 मार्च का दिन था. And somebody called me up. Go and buy your home ration. Something terrible has happened in India. And I was at Reliance store. Crazy stampede around. Record sale of 7 lakhs happened in 1 hour in front of my eyes. Can you believe it? जो स्टोर से कोई सामान खरीदता नहीं था एक हफ्ते में, जहां 1 लाख का सेल नहीं होता था, वहां 1 घंटे में 7 लाख का सामान सेल हो गया. No pulse available, no pickle available, no rice available, no flour available. All finished. I immediately called up my cousin. I said, भाई ऐसा है, कुछ serious problem लग रहा है, कुछ महामारी का कुछ चक्कर लग रहा है, तू फटाफट जो है ना अपना घर का सामान ले. And he said, अच्छा ठीक है. He went to 10 shops, ladies and gentlemen. Not even a single shop he was able to buy flour, rice, pulse. All sold out. That was the moment we saw last year. And I was like, I was in doubt कि हमारा event हो पाएगा या नहीं हो पाएगा जो आज हो रहा है, because this was supposed to happen last year 4th of April. And I immediately called up our mutual friend Pearl, Shivangi, and Shivangi said, Sherry, do not do the event. India is in terrible position right now. Don't even dare to think of an event. घर बैठ जाओ अभी. बहुत मुश्किल समय में आ चुके हम लोग, पता नहीं अब हम बचेंगे भी या नहीं बचेंगे. That was the word. हम बचेंगे या नहीं बचेंगे. And after that, 18th March came. We finally decided to call this as a postpone. And 21st March, it happened. And we all are a witness to it. Hey. But something amazing happened. Unprecedented times. We all welcomed the online world of digital communication. And I myself is a witness to it. वो स्पीकर ही कैसा जो बोलना बंद कर दे. वो स्पीकर नहीं है फिर, वो कुछ और है. I said this to myself and I started doing my Facebook lives. And I was thinking in a very creative way how to take maximum leverage of this time so that I can promote myself and brand myself. Winners don't do different things. They do things differently, my dear friends. And that was the time I started with my interviews. I took more than 35 celebrity interviews. Gracefully, all the celebrities were ready. I also co-authored a book. I have delivered more than 110 online speeches. For the first time in my life, I have delivered 3 online TEDx talks. I have created more than 105 podcasts available. and I started speaking virtually. And believe you me, I really enjoyed every moment of it. Though we were in painful times, but I really enjoyed every bit of it. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are here. Finally, the day has come. My best wishes to all the participants. I heartily welcome all the honorary guests, our jury members, all the speakers who came from 11 different states of India, facing all the challenge, embracing all the challenge. We have people from Punjab, we have people from Uttarakhand in the room, we have people from Bihar, Patna, we have people from Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat. You name the state, ladies and gentlemen, you will find somebody here today. Round of applause for each one of you. I just wanted to say all the very best to each one of you. Have a rocking performance. And somebody said in one of our championships, every winner was once a participant. खुद ही से जीतना है मुझे, खुद ही को हराना है. मैं भीड़ नहीं हूं दुनिया की, मेरे अंदर एक जमाना है. तो आज वो समय आ गया, आज वो टाइम आ गया. प्लेटफॉर्म इज रेडी. Just do your best. Thank you very much. All the very best again. Bye-bye. And I just wanted to say thanks to each one of you for being a part of this historical event today. We have seen some scintillating performances, really inspirational, really motivating and outstanding. And each one of you have performed to the best of your ability. And all I have to say is thank you very much from the core of my heart for coming from different places, states of India, and inspiring each one of us with your various topics, subjects, insights, experiments, researches. Trust me, it's like reading minimum 4 to 5 books a day while listening all these 35, 37 prepared talks from each one of you, carrying different background of experience from different walks of life. Thank you very much once again.